Hello, Sat Shri Akal, Adab, Namaste, all my viewers. How are you all? I hope you all would be fine at your homes. So today we have again brought a new video for you, in which we are going to discuss some points regarding our state, that is Punjab. As we have given our channel as the name as Awaz of Punjab, so we should do something regarding this. So I am going to write an essay about our state, and I'm just going to speak that essay because it will take a lot of time while writing. I'll show you the pics at the end of our video, so please watch the video till end, by not skipping the video. So let's start. So whenever we are writing an essay, firstly we will write about the introduction of the topic. Firstly we will give the introduction, and always remember that the first line and the first sentence of your essay should be very much effective, so that the reader attracts towards your essay. So let me tell you what I have written. As India is a country with 28 states and 9 union territories, and Punjab is almost the most effective state in India, the birth of many freedom fighters, saints, and other famous personalities made its land a very fortunate land. Punjab is also called the land of 5 rivers, and the word is made up of 2 words, Panch plus Ab, where Panch means 5 and Ab means rivers in the language Punjabi. Its culture is one of the oldest and richest culture in the world history. Now let's have a short look about Punjab. So now we are going to write about the language which is spoken in Punjab and where the language has gained its position in the world. So let's start. As its name, the people of Punjab communicate with each other in their mother tongue, that is Punjabi. Now, the language is spoken internationally by an estimate of 100 to 125 million people. Punjabi language finds a place of pride in many countries, including Canada, where it is the 4th most spoken language. Punjabis have achieved success in the areas of philosophy, poetry, education, music, science, architecture, and traditions and spirituality. Here we get to know about the language spoken in Punjab and where it gains its position in the world. So always remember that firstly you should have the information regarding the topic which you are writing for. So always collect the information from your surroundings or from the Google net, wherever it is. Now we are writing about the food that is eaten widely in Punjab. Punjabi culture has a wide range of dishes and has become the world leader in the field, so much that the people especially come to Punjab to taste its special dish and Makki ki roti and sarson ka saag. Here we get to know about that. Makki ki roti and sarson ka saag is the most famous dish that is eaten in Punjab. Then the dances of Punjab, the folk dances we can see. Punjabi dances, due to the long history of land of 5 rivers, are normally performed at the times of celebrations, festivals, and weddings. These dances requires a lot of energy and are known as Bhangra and Gidha. These dances make Punjabi culture more highlighted and attractive to people. Here we get to know about that Punjabis are striking their coin in the field of dance also, that they are performing Gidha and Bhangra at each and every festival. They are performing these dances, and many more people of other states also has started to perform these 2 folk dances in the states on some special occasions, especially on the weddings. I think most of the people do bhangra on the songs. Then marriages, the most important paragraph in this essay. For Punjabis, marriages is Anand Kaur, a ceremony of blessing by the god which is held in Gurdwara or the wedding halls. The preparation of marriage generally starts from 1 week before the actual day of ceremony. Punjabis do not only remember their god in the times of sadness, but also not forget him in the times of happiness and celebration. Here in this line we can also say that we don't have to repeat the words. We can we can write the opposite of the word, but at the its meaning should be same. We can write the synonyms of the words, as I have told you in the format of speech that I have given many days ago. So there are some points that also take place in whenever we are writing an essay also. The first step in the wedding is the purchase of Rumala Sahib to be used to cover the Guru Granth Sahib, the holy text of Sikhs. Here we get to know about that the holy text of Sikhs is Guru Granth Sahib, and each and every Sikh family, whenever there is an occasion, there is a wedding, they always buy a Rumala Sahib to cover Guru Granth Sahib. So people of Punjab do not forget their gods in the times of happiness also. Then the festivals of Punjab. Which festivals are celebrated here? Punjabi celebration of any kind is incomplete without the sound of dhol. Here we get to know about that dhol plays a very important role in the Punjab. The main festivals of Punjab are Vaisakhi, which is the Vaisakhi festival is celebrated to mark the cultivation of the crop. Holi, Tej, Diwali, Dussehra, and many more, which are celebrated with full enthusiasm and with the beat of dhol everywhere. So here we get to know about that not only Punjabis but also other people, other states people also celebrate these festivals, like as Diwali, which is a common festival with in each and every religion. I think it gained its importance, and also in Punjab also. So I think here we can also get to know that people of India are united. They celebrate each and every festival with full enthusiasm, without any badness in their minds. At last, we are going to write about the conclusion, that what we have gained from this essay, what we can think about the Punjab, what idea we have got here, what information we have grabbed from here. So, as noticed above, Punjabi culture, according to me, it is the richest and marvelous culture among the world. Here it is my thinking that I think it is the most richest and marvelous. Your thinking can be different. You can say it in another words. I have written this essay with my thinking. You can also add some more things to it to make it more effective. Maybe this is not as effective as I wanted to say, but it is, I think according to my level it is good. Just try and try again. I'm speaking in English. I don't know English very much, but I'm trying. So you should also try to speak. You should also try to write different writings. And then today Punjabis are striking their coin in each and every field of life. Here we are ending our essay. Thank you for the reader to pay attention on my essay very well. Thank you. At last, we are going to write these lines in our conclusion. So, now I'm going to show you. No, we'll show it in another video if you want. And so now we are ending this video. Hope you would like this video, and please share it as much as you can. Please try again. And if there was some mistake in my English, I'm just trying my English. I'm not a very frequent person who can speak it, but I'm just trying, and you should also try. So if there was any mistake, you can comment me and in the comment section. Thank you.